Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. Let me show you something I have made. Like, okay, this is a Python script which I created and it uses like free models from OpenRouter and it posts a daily computer science question on my YouTube automatically. Okay, so I'm running this for you. We can use service to automate this process of running this. As you can see, it is launching the browser for us, and we can go headless as well. We don't need browser launching, it will automatically post that as well. So I am like using this to show you that it can post. I'm not touching anything. Okay, so as you can see, the question is generated. Today's question is this was the yesterday answer. As you can see, it is doing all the stuff automatically. So let's just wait. As you can see, it is writing. No human can write very fast like this. Okay, so how we are achieving this thing? So we are using OpenRouter to get a API, and then we are using free models from OpenRouter. We are using NVIDIA Nemotron, I think. Okay, then we are using YouTube Data API, which you can access from Google Console or Cloud Console. Okay, it is just waiting. Okay, as you can see that post button is not found to the script. Okay, it is finding the post button manually because we haven't given any like coordinates to the post button, because it can vary when the question is long or when like YouTube changed the UI or anything happens. But we made the script to find the button yourself. We are not going to tell where is the post button, so that's why it is taking that much time. So it will like take 1 minute most to do all the stuff, I think. So let me read the today's question. Which command displays the amount of disk space used available on the even mounted file system in Linux? So you are going to tell me that I don't know the answer. Okay, is finding the, okay, it found the button and it just posted, as you can see, that 0 second ago, and it closed the browser automatically, and now it just says that post submitted successfully to the community. Okay, so this is the script, and this is our script, and I can share it with you if you want. All you need to do is go to OpenRouter. Over here, get an API key by making a free account. Okay, go to Google Cloud, and from here go to console or like sign up using your Gmail ID. Go over here, go to API and services, and here search for YouTube and click on YouTube data API version 3, and here you will have try this API or enable this API option. Because I have already enabled, it is showing manage. Okay, then you need to go API services and like credentials, and from here just create auth client ID and download the JSON file. It will automatically log in when on the first launch of the script. So I will share it with you. If you want, just drop the comment anything you want. And one more thing, I have created a website. Sorry, not this one, this one. It let the user like create a passport size photo using the selfie or any image he or she want. So you just have pricing tier like very like 29, which is like lower than a burger price. So you can use this one if you want. Or peace, thank you.